In today's video, I will teach you how to add photocopy scan lines on images using Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea, then go to File, then Open to load the image that you want to edit. In the Layers panel, right-click on the image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This ensures the edits are non-destructive. Now right-click the layer and select Duplicate Layer twice, or simply press Ctrl-J on your keyboard. You should now have 3 identical layers. Now rename the layers for clarity. Then hide the top layer for now by clicking the eye icon. Now select the middle layer, then go to Filter, Blur, then Motion Blur. Then set the blur distance to 150 and keep the angle at 0 degrees. Then click OK to apply the effect. Now add a mask to the middle layer by clicking the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then select the layer mask thumbnail. Then use the brush tool or simply press B on your keyboard. Set it to soft brown brush. And set the foreground color to black. Now paint over the areas of the subject where you don't want the blur effect, such as the face or key details. Now unhide the top layer and select it. Then go to Filter, Blur, then Motion Blur, then double the blur value. In my case, I'm going to set it to 300. Then keep the angle at 0 degrees. Then add a layer mask and repeat the process of erasing blur from unnecessary parts. Now select all 3 layers by holding down the Shift key and clicking each one, and press Ctrl-G to group them. Then duplicate the group by pressing Ctrl-J, then hide the duplicated group. Then select the original group and press Ctrl-E to merge it into a single layer. With the merged layer selected, go to Filter, then Filter Gallery, and in the Sketch category, select Graphic Pen. Now set the stroke length to 2, light and dark balance to 45, and direction to horizontal. Now click the plus icon at the bottom of the filter gallery to add another effect. This time, choose halftone pattern. Then set the size to 2, contrast to 30, and pattern type to line. Then add another filter by clicking the plus icon, and this time select grain. Set the intensity to 50, then contrast to 50, and green type to horizontal. Then adjust the filter values depending on your image size and desired intensity for the scan line effect. And once you're satisfied, you can click OK. Then you can save the final image by going to File, then Export As, and choosing a format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.